Welcome back. What we're going to do now is kind of go through some mathematical equations and expressions, mostly expressions here, and do some plug in and substitute. Okay, plug in and substitute. What we're going to do here, when we have an expression, 2 times the quantity n plus 3, if n equals -4. So in this case, anywhere you see the letter n in our expression, we're going to replace it or substitute it with the -4. So instead of 2 times the quantity n plus 3, we're going to have 2 times the quantity, and we're going to replace that n, substitute that n for -4. And then we're going to finish it off, plus 3. Okay, well, sorry about that. Let's do our parentheses first, PEMDAS, 2 times -4 plus 3. Here's where our calculators can come in handy for those of us that are practicing with them. I have my TI calculator. We are going to do what's inside there, -4. This is the negative symbol. If you notice, this is a minus symbol. This is a negative. -4 plus 3. You should know how to do that in your head, but to help us out, there you go. -4 plus 3 is -1. Okay, jump back here. So -4 plus 3 we said was -1. And then we have 2. This is times. This is multiplication. 2 times -1 is -2. And that's it. That's your answer. Let's try one over here. Anywhere there is a y, we're going to substitute for 3. So instead of 4y cubed, we're going to do 4. I'm going to put a parenthesis here, times 3 to the third power plus 2. And we can do this all with our calculators if we want to. We have 4 times 3, and if you look how I wrote it, close the parenthesis, and we're going to look for this little, it's called a caret. I'm going to press that to the third power. I got to go over, and then we're going to finish it off plus 2, enter, which is 110. I'm going to go back here, and if I wanted to do that out, I could show you how the real math. 4 times 3 to the third is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, plus 2, which is 108, plus 2, which we said was 110. Awesome. We're going to go to my next page, one more page here. Remember, we had pages 1 and 2. Okay, continue to plug in and substitute. Change my color here for you. Now we have 2 variables, a w and a v. W equals 5, v equals 3. Let's plug them in. 8 times w is 5 minus 2 times v is 3. And we can finish that off. 8 times 5 is 40. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. And we can do that in our heads. 4 minus 6 is 34. Pretty good. Last one that we got here. We have 3 times the quantity, 220 minus a, divided by 5. Well, a is 15, so let's substitute. 3 times the quantity 220 minus 15, all divided by 5. Well, that's 3 times 205 divided by 5. Well, it's 3 times 205. Again, if you need your calculator, you can pop it in there. 3 times 205 is 615. Going back to our page, we've got 615 divided by 5, and you can again plug that into your calculator. 615 divided by 5, which equals 123. Just kind of showing you how to use that calculator over there. If you can do this all in your head, feel free. And there's your answer. Summary here, what you can write. We plugged in a number the variable. Plugging in is also called substitution. That's it for the lesson. It's pretty quick, pretty easy. Go on, check out some extra resources on our page. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Comment below or send me a message. Love to give you some help. Thank you so much.